Are you tired of using jumper cables and booster packs? If you are, then this Ancel Engine Superstarter is for you. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, product reviews, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Ancel sent me this BS200 Engine Superstarter. I'm really excited to open this up and actually test it out on my vehicle. It's really good. After installing this, you're not going to have any use for booster cables, battery power packs, any of those things any longer. This installs permanently in your vehicle. You have full control over this with the app using your Bluetooth. You can check out your battery levels, the condition. Everything is all done through the app. It performs excellent in cold weather or hot weather applications, and I can't wait to open this up. Let's open it up and let's see what we got inside. So as soon as we open this, we have some clamps. This is your positive negative clamp. That's if you want to install this and not use it for a permanent install. You can always clamp that on if you don't want to use tighten it to your bolts. So we have the Engine Superstarter manual. And before you get started, what you should do is, you see there's instructions for use, but the more importantly is the app download, of course, available on the App Store or Google Play. Install that, just scan that in the manual and it'll take you to the store, and you're going to download the app, and that's if you're going to use the app with the Superstarter, which I highly recommend. And get that installed because you're going to need to scan the serial number on the back, and we'll get into that in a second. But it's best to install this as soon as you open it up. Tie straps, and that's to affix it anywhere you want in the engine bay, so that's really handy. That will come into use. And let's take this out of the box. Some nice packaging there. And there we go. Okay, so here is your Ancel Engine Superstarter BS200. You don't have to charge it. It charges itself just directly by connecting it to the battery. However, if you wish to charge it, there is a USB-C port that you can charge this up. And if you want to use it that way, you can. But you do not have to pre-charge it. But if you wish to, you may. You can use the USB-C charger for that. This is really excellent. It also helps save the battery life of your battery. Probably extends your battery by at least 3 times by cutting the current strain during the starts. So I would really recommend this for sure. I do want to mention this is absolutely safe to install since it's not a lithium battery. There's no swelling, there's going to be no overheating, and there's no fire risk for installing this in your vehicle. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to get one of these. You do not have to install the app to use this Ancel Superstarter. It also works manually. However, by using the app, you're going to have a lot of different features and access to full monitoring, real-time voltage, health, and temperature. You can see the history and all the breakdown alerts and the condition of your car vehicle battery. So I would highly recommend installing the app. Install the app, and then the next thing that we're going to do is let's go outside and let's install this in my vehicle. To install this, you can use the tie wraps that it comes with to install it somewhere in the engine bay. Most people keep it close to the battery, but wherever you want and wherever the terminals are going to reach to the leads. It's really easy to install. For a more permanent install, install the battery leads to the battery terminal post. Make sure the black goes with black and the red goes with red, black and positive. If you're going to be moving the Ancel BS200 around from vehicle to vehicle, then you can also use the battery clamps that come with the package. Just make sure you use the black clamps with the black terminals and the red ones with the red terminals. And I'm going to do that just for the purpose of this video. I'm going to use the clamps. Now with the Ancel Superstarter connected, I'm ready to test this out. This battery is dead, so the car should not start, and then I'm going to test it using the engine Superstarter. So I'm just inside my Toyota Corolla. I'm going to go ahead and just try to start the vehicle. And the battery's dead. Now I've just activated the forced start on the Ancel app, and let's see if we can start the vehicle now. And that started very easily. So that's how to install and how to use the Ancel BS200 Superstarter. Don't forget, I'm also going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one of these. That's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.